So this is our son Conure Sunset. We got him last September. It's now March, so we've had him for about 6 months. And when we first got him, he was 8 months old, and we rehomed him. And he had adjusted pretty well and very comfortable in our house, flying around, very friendly towards us. But it's getting warm now here in our house, so summer's coming, and we're afraid that he might get injured because he does like to fly around. So we're going to clip his wings for the first time because we don't want him getting injured, especially by the ceiling fan blades. So cover him up so he can't see. Here's his wings, as you can see, covered his face. So I'm going to leave this two long, but the other ones I'm going to clip. And there's be careful not to cut the bloodline here, and I'm going to do it one at a time. I'm going to start it right here where the feathers begins to go this way, and then the other side it's starting to go. You see this one? It floats this way inward. So I'm going to start at that one right there. And I'm going to leave the two in there because it's just nicer. Okay, just right below that. So I'm going to put him on that side. I'm going to pull his other feather from here. As you can see, less stress for the bird because he's covered up. And then here, as you can see, this is where it begins, so I'm going to start on these feathers here. I left it, actually that's three, and leave the two long ones right there. Okay, so that's it. As you can tell, it's nice and clean. Got this two in, so it goes in that way. I'm gonna put him on my shoulder. I'm gonna take him outside, and he should be okay.